In print on demand, we love new. We love new because when something new comes out, a product, a trend, a design, an aesthetic, that allows us to very quickly move and create products that can get pushed into the market really, really quickly. We do not have to go and source products over from China and ship them in, deal with tariffs, do any of that. We can see a design, see a trend, jump on it quickly and activate within minutes, hours, you do the math, it's quite simple. And so that is why it's important that whenever a new product comes out or a new application method comes out, we take advantage of that if we are looking to launch or scale a print-on-demand business. And today I am walking you through some fun new print application methods that are going to be a game changer for products that operate within the apparel category. I'm not going to keep you on the edge of your seat. I am talking about puff printing. Puff printing has been one of those things that we've seen on platforms like Etsy. There are certain businesses that are able to offer this, and those products have historically done really well. But up until this point, it hasn't been possible with print on demand. And so I'm really excited to say that today I'm partnering with Printify to walk you through an exciting innovation breakthrough in print on demand that is going to allow this to be possible for us. So let's talk a little bit about what it is and then how we do it, along with some other fun application methods too. And if you like this, where you get the newest hot off the press information about print on demand, please drop a comment below. I do not have a sample of this yet, but if you are interested in seeing what a sample looks like, please drop a comment below. I also posted a video on the puff embroidery abilities of another print on demand platform. So please let me know if that is something that you're interested in taking a sample look at as well. Anything that would be helpful, I am more than happy to do that. Let's talk about puff printing. So puff printing is basically where there is a thicker print type that is applied to the clothing. So here's an example of one where you can see that the actual print kind of pops off the fabric and gives it this like 3D effect, as opposed to when you are printing either direct to garment or direct to film. It's either like in the threads or sitting on top. This is thick and risen off of the garment. I am constantly wanting to bring the data and the receipts. So of course I have to give you some examples directly with EverBee from Etsy. If you are new here, I have been utilizing EverBee for my business for 3-4 years at this point, and it allows me to understand directionally what products are selling on Etsy and at what rate they are selling. So I have my plugin extension pulled into here and I'm gonna analyze this listing, but we can see a little summary of it up at the top. This product has been live for about a year on average. It's doing over $20,000 per month in revenue. And what is really cool when I analyze the data for puff printing, they are one of the products that has continued to see pretty strong year-over-year growth. So this one launched about a year ago, no surprise, and absolutely no surprise what happens in like September and October, football season. And so that is why this listing has such a strong growth rate into the fall season and then kind of picks back up. So this one is kind of already starting that tailwind back up, and we're seeing that across other products on the platform as well. Here's another one that's only been live for 5 months, similar type of aesthetic. It's focusing on a sports, a team name, back to school. Price point is, reasonable for a crew neck sweater, and very similarly, it's done really strong revenue. And so in the last month, it's already started that rise up to the top. So we have the proof. We know that it's strategy that's working. So now let's talk about how we do it. So today I'm also partnering with Printify. Printify is a platform that is allowing you to now do this. They have been a maverick in this space for all types of print application methods. Obviously that makes sense. Printify doesn't print, package, and ship anything themselves. They have the software and the tech, and then all of these businesses and small printers across the world will actually do the print, packaging, and shipping for you. And so whenever they have like a new methodology and a new print method, they bring those onto the platform. So we've seen embroidery hit Printify in the last year. We've seen engraving be really popular too. And now we're seeing some puff print be at our fingertips as well. So let's talk about it. It's a little bit of a finicky one to find. I was like poking through some of the favorite products that I wanted to use and couldn't get them. So the easiest way that I have found to find them is going and actually clicking on the men's category and the men's catalog. So if you go into the catalog and you hover over men, just go to view all men's clothing. And then once you're in all of men's clothing, you can go ahead and hit the other filters and sorting button. And then when you scroll down to the decoration method, you're gonna see all of the different ways that you can apply customization to these products. So you can see that they have the all over print, direct to film, direct to garment, dye sublimation, embroidery, and then you think that's it. That's not it. You hit show more, and this is where it gets really exciting. So the ones that are new here are going to be glitter print, metallic print, and puff print. Let's start with puff print and then we'll explore the others. So what's kind of interesting, I wanted to get you this hot off the press, but there's only one product that is available for this application method, and it is going to be the Port & Company crew neck sweatshirt. Super strong sweatshirt, but it's only one single option, and it's not as affordable as the Gildan crew neck, so keep that in mind. This is going to be a little bit of an elevated product, but once you click into it, you're going to be able to see that it is provided through Fulfill Engine. Lots of colors, so we love that. And when we think about the price point for this, it's going to be around $18.75 with Printify Premium, and then $7.69 for shipping. So it's gonna be elevated of an average order value. So once you click into it, you can just go ahead and hit start designing, and let's see what this looks like. So I wanna go with like a really similar design aesthetic to what we just saw, where it's like the color on the color. So I'm actually gonna choose like a dark heather gray, maybe a charcoal. I'm gonna go with the charcoal, and then I am just going to add into here. And it looks like as of right now, they're only allowing text. So luckily for me, I was only going to add text, but if you wanted to do this as a design, it says that you can use a single color design. Bold, blocky makes a lot of sense, but I'm not actually seeing that option. So I will follow up with you on that. But as of now, it looks like it's text only. So you would choose the type of text that makes the most sense for you. I want to go with like a varsity, sporty type of text. So I am going to choose graduate, which I like to use on a lot of my clothes. And I'm going to type into here, boy, mama. This is one of those products that very cool, very new, but there are not gonna be as many resources for you to be able to build this without getting samples. So if you were interested in seeing a sample, once again, drop a comment below. There aren't the mock-ups here, so we're really gonna have to understand what this looks like if we order an actual product, an actual sample, because right now all we're gonna be able to do is see what it looks like on a computer-generated example here, which isn't perfect for creating mock-ups. So this is one that might be a little more heavily intensive on ordering a product and just having, even if you can only afford one sample, utilizing that as your main mock-up image and then giving people a view of what it would look like through other examples the best that you can. But keep that in mind that you're limited here. But that is how you are able to utilize this. It's right now only on this individual crew neck sweater, but I'm very excited to see what that means for future applications and what other types of products are gonna get launched within this application type. And you saw that there were a couple other application types, so I haven't played around with those, so let's do that together. But the other two are going to be glitter print and metallic print. So I'm gonna come back into here and go down to my decoration method, and I'm going to get rid of my puff print and choose metallic print and glitter print. So it looks like, once again, for both of these, there is just going to be one product. So maybe I'll start with metallic print, and I'm assuming it's gonna be the same situation where it's just a single product. Okay, very cool. They call this one lustrous and premium. We're looking at an American apparel item, higher price point, $28.57, and then a $7.69 shipping fee. Their colors do look really pretty. They have like blush, they have heather gray, they have Arctic. So these are really pretty coloring. And this is essentially a mock-up of what it would look like if you ordered it. So you can tell it does look pretty nice. It has a nice little sheen to it. And it looks like you can have up to 12 metallic shades. So that's gonna be different than the puff print that we just talked about. Puff print is one color. So you have to choose the one color and that's it. It looks like on this one, you can have a different coloring mixture than you could if you just chose the other one. Once again, if you want to see what a sample of this looks like, please drop a comment below. We are just in the early stages of this being launched. And so it is a little bit like we're building the plane as we're flying. applying it. But off the rip, really exciting to see that's an example. And then let's look one more time at the glitter print to see how that one looks, if they give us any mock-ups. And we are just going even further. No, this is about the same price as the other one. So we take a look at the glitter print. This one's also gonna be printed by Fulfill Engine, different brand on this one, District DT. I'd be very curious to understand why they're choosing these different types of specific models and SKUs. But once again, really premium, really beautiful. I love these colors. I want these colors of hoodies. And once again, it does look like you can have up to 30 different glitter shades. A little bit of a bummer here because they don't give us, like they did with the metallic print, an example. So I'm dying to see what this one looks like. Please drop any questions that you have regarding the puff print, the metallic print, and the glitter print in the comments below. I'm gonna try to gather all that information and get you all the answers that you need. The puff print, it has the most information so far, and then glitter and metallic are a little bit nebulous. Hopefully that was helpful, and I will catch you on the next one.